depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Paano kung nandun na sa point na yung ex mo na yung lumalayo sa'yo? Parang tipong pinipilit mong ayusin ang lahat pero siya pinipilit niyang lumayo. Then, especially sa mga may pamilya, no? Alam mo yun, yung tipong yung misis mo ng lalaki o kaya yung misis mo lumalayo, may mga anak kayo. Sobrang importante nun, tas lumalayo siya. And tapos, ang ginagawa mo is you are trying to fix everything. But your ex resist. At higit sa lahat, ito yung pinakamalupit dyan Ramdam mo. Ramdam mo na lumalayo siya sa'yo and he or she doesn't want to talk about this thing. And hindi siya nagiging logical. Kahit mayaman ka pa, may anak pa kayong dalawa, marami pa kayong anak, bata pa lang yung mga babies nyo or yung, you know what I mean. She or he is trying to avoid all the types of conversation just in order for your ex na just to get rid of you. At dumarating na siya sa point na hindi na talaga siya logical. Wala na siya sa logical state to fix the relationship na, halimbawa, may business kayo, kailangan magkasama kayo, pero ayaw pa rin niya. Okay lang sa kanya na i-sacrifice niyo yung business niya, basta wag ka lang niya makasama. Or everything, anything and everything about that. May mga kanya-kanya tayong sitwasyon sa buhay. Example, sa pag-aaral, magkasama kayo, then, o kaya sa trabaho, pero ayaw niya. And it seems like it's super illogical yata. Sobrang, parang ang labo. Di ba dapat magkasama pa kami? Di ba dapat ganito? Di ba dapat ganyan? Di ba dapat ganun? And one thing for sure, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Ang pinakadahilan kaya malabo yan is kasi hindi ka na niya gusto. Willing siya na i-sacrifice ang business nyo, ang pamilya nyo, ang trabaho niya, lahat ng mapapala niya sa'yo. Willing siyang i-sacrifice kahit siya pa yung magmamana ng lupa mo pag nadedu ka. Willing siyang iwan lahat yan just to get rid of you. Ibig sabihin nun, Brad, sister, sawang-sawa na yung tao sa'yo. Ganun lang yun. Wala nang pali-paliwanag. Di ko na siya paahabahin. Sawang-sawa na yung tao sa'yo. At willing na siyang i-sacrifice ang lahat just in order for you na huwag ka lang makasama. And honestly, I can say that sucks. And that's worse. That's one of the worst things na pwede mong maranasan or may experience pagdating sa relationship. Well, kung ganyan na nangyayari, pumunta ka dito, ano ba ang solusyon dyan? Ang solusyon dyan is just, number one is just to let go. And alam ko mahirap sa'yo to, but I will tell you what is the advantage once you have let go this person. Kapag nilet go mo na ang tao na to, ano bang advantage? I will give you what is the advantage. Here's the advantage. Iisang advantage na meron ka kapag nilet go mo na siya. She or he will have a time for herself to think. Kapag nag-isip yan, magiging logical na yan. Kayo kasi pinipilit nyo Kaya wala siyang panahon na mag-isip, wala siyang panahon. She doesn't give a time for herself to think. He doesn't give a time for himself to think. Kasi pinipilit nyong ibalik Pero pag nilayuan nyo yan, that would be the time na, lumayo na siya, wala nang magulo. O ngayon wala nang magulo, ano nang isipin ko? Ngayon, kapag nilet go mo na siya, mabibigyan mo na siya ng panahon at espasyo na mag-isip. Alam nyo, hindi lahat ng exam tungkol sa memorization. May mga exam din na kailangan nila ng time like essay. Magsusulat sila ng essay nila. You need to give them a time. And you need to understand that time is gold. I'm not talking about na time is gold na kailangan mo magtrabaho ng malupit kasi time is gold. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Literally, once na naghiwalay kayo, nag-break up kayo, ang pinakakayamanan mo, ang pinakakampi mo is time. Time is the only partner that you have. Time is the only teammate that you have. Time is everything for you. Just give it to him. Pag binigay mo yung time sa kanya, that would be the time that she will or he will think about you. Mag-iisip na yan. Iisipin na niya, paano yung ganito, paano yung ganyan, kung di kami magbalikan. Baka may isip-isip pa niya, paano yung pamilya ko, iwan ko na ba yung anak ko. Kasi binigyan mo na ng panahon na mag-isip eh. Ngayon, kung iniisip mo na hindi yan mag-iisip, may iba na yan eh, paano pa yung mag-iisip? No! That's not true. Mag-iisip at mag-iisip yan. Hindi porket meron niyang iba, occupy na yung utak niya for 100% na puro ang conversation lang is between yung bago niya tsaka sa kanya. No, that's not true. I will tell you the truth. And by this moment, I just want you to give a trust. Please, just give a trust. Magtiwala ka. And that's how this is the most easiest part of the game. Just let go and give your ex some sort of time. No worries. He or she will think about you. It will work 100% once you do this in 100% method. I will guarantee you, I've been a coach for a very, very long time, but this is the most guaranteed thing na masasabi ko sa'yo. Give your ex a time. Anyways, if you need to ask a question or anything about that, just give us a message sa page namin sa Philippine Dating Coach. Thanks for watching.